Good morning, class. So, in the today's class or the today's lecture, we are just going to read about what is respiration and what is the breathing. Okay. So, when we are talking about the respiration and the breathing, both are very important processes of living organism, like other activities like reproduction, excretion, and so others. Okay. So, respiration is also a very important activity in a human being. Okay. So when you start the chapter here, you see that the Bujo is actually is very eagerly to meet his grandfather. So he was running, and one question comes in his mind, like when we are running or when we are doing any heavy exercises, why our breathing rate increases so fast? Okay, so his grandfather was trying to give the answer to the bujo, and we always notice the same. Okay, whenever we are doing any heavy exercises or we are lifting any weight, yeah, we are running, so you saw that our breathing rate also increases. Okay, yeah, when our respiration process also increases. Now why it is? Okay, and what is the difference between a breathing and a respiration? Okay, so first of all, I will give you the answer of this question, and then we will study about that. Why do we actually respire? Why this process is helpful in our living organism? Okay, so when we are talking about the breathing and the respiration, the one difference between them is that when we are talking about breathing it means when we are taking oxygen inside and releasing carbon dioxide, just in and out process is called breathing. Okay, like when we take deep breath, we what we are taking oxygen goes inside us. Okay, and when we exhale, that time carbon dioxide comes out from our body. So this process is called as breathing. Yani ki intake and outtake of gases is called breathing. But when we are talking about respiration, it means what happened when this gas goes inside us, and how our cells are using this oxygen, and how this cell are producing energy for doing a lot of work. So that is called respiration. Okay, so respiration is basically when actually the food breaks down in the cell because of the oxygen, and it gives us energy. So this process is called as respiration. And breathing, it means when we are talking about only intake of gas and exhale of gas, yani ki inhale and exhale. Okay, this process is called breathing. And basically respiration, it means when we are using this oxygen for breaking down of food. Okay, cells are using this oxygen for breaking down of food and releasing energy. Okay, so this is called as respiration. Okay, so now hope this difference is clear to you. What is respiration and what is breathing? What is breathing? Breathing means inhale and exhale. Fine. Respiration, it means when food means glucose. Okay, glucose is breakdown in the presence of oxygen and it release energy and other products. Okay, so this is called as respiration. Okay, now where this respiration process takes place? So that respiration takes place in our different cells. You know that the cell is the basic unit of our body, and in our body there is a lot of cells are available. Okay, so lot of cells are available in our body, and these cells are performing the different functions. Okay, so each and every cell require energy to perform this function, and from where this energy comes? So this cell is breaking down the glucose what we take as a food. Okay, glucose in the presence of oxygen, and it release energy. Fine. So when the cell is involved in that kind of respiration is called as the cellular respiration. Okay, cellular respiration means when the cell is releasing the energy by breaking down of glucose in the presence of oxygen. Okay, now when we are talking about the oxygen, you should know that the oxygen, when the food is breaking down in the presence of oxygen, we are calling them as a aerobic respiration. Okay, we are calling them as a aerobic respiration. Aerobic means breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen. Okay, and anaerobic respiration, it means breakdown of food in absence of oxygen. Okay, there are some microorganism like yeast and all. Okay, they are breaking down their food in the absence of oxygen. Okay, so this kind of respiration is called as anaerobic respiration. Hope this is clear to you. Aerobic, it means breakdown of food in the presence of oxygen, and anaerobic respiration, it means breakdown of food in the absence of oxygen. Okay, so when we are talking about the aerobic respiration, the products are different. Like when we are talking about aerobic respiration, we get energy and water as a main product. But when we are doing anaerobic respiration, like in yeast and all, so alcohol is a major product there. Okay, so that's why we are preparing yeast, alcohol from the yeast. Okay, so this is anaerobic respiration. So hope this is clear to you. When you will go to the chapter, you will clear more about this, that what is the cellular respiration, what is the cellular respiration, what is the aerobic respiration, and what is the anaerobic respiration, and what are the products of this. Okay, like here you can see what are the product. Like when the food is breakdown in the aerobic respiration, like carbon dioxide, water, and energy is released. Okay, when anaerobic respiration is there, you can see that glucose, when breakdown, it forms alcohol, carbon dioxide, and energy as the main product. Okay, so this is the aerobic respiration and this is the anaerobic respiration. Now what is your question today? Then tomorrow we will going to deal more about anaerobic or aerobic respiration, and we will see that how our cells are doing anaerobic respiration for some time. Like muscle cells, sometimes this is doing anaerobic respiration. So how and why and where he is doing this kind of respiration. So tomorrow we are going to deal with this. So in the today's lecture, we are just reading about what the difference between respiration and breathing, and aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. So now what's your work today? You, in the left side, you have to make a note, like important notes, and you have to write what is the respiration and what is the breathing, and what is the difference between aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Okay.